Lecture 1. Today we will learn about how to create a new database, how to create a table, and how to alter a table, and how to declare primary key and foreign key also. To create a database, name my point, then type value code in query. Okay. Create database and view database name. My database name is my point, and then you will see the database will be available in your database file. Okay. If you want to add various table into your database named my point, you have to declare this. Okay. Use my point. And if I want to create a database name brand and whose properties are brand ID and brand name. So how to create a new table? Okay. To create a table name brand, then type the value code in your SQL query. Create table, give your table name. My table name is brand. Okay. And the properties of my brand table is brand ID, which is an integer type, and I declare this will be as a primary key. Okay. And the brand name will be var character, whose size is 25. Now you will see the output after executing this code. This is the brand ID and this is the brand name. Okay. So how to insert values into your table? I have already created a brand table. Okay. To insert values, just write insert into, give your table name. This is the brand table and give your column name. The brand name and declare your values for your brand name. Okay. And insert into your brand name and values. Okay. So the question is why I don't use this brand ID. Okay. Into insert. Okay. Why? Because I have declared that this brand ID will be primary key and increased automatically from 1. Okay. So I need not to initialize and insert the values for brand ID. Okay. That's 3 values I have inserted into my brand table. Then if you want to see the information of your table, you can write just select star. Okay. Select star. That's mean all from your table name brand. Then you will see the output as below. This is the brand ID and this is the brand name. For one, values will be Samsung that I have assigned for one. This is the Samsung and second one is Nokia and third one is Redmi. Look at here. All information are available here. Now if you want to add a new column into your brand table, so how to do that? Okay. Just write into your SQL query alter table, give your table name. My table name is brand and add a keyword, add a new column. Okay. This is the column name brand info. Look at here, there is no column as brand info. I want to add this into my table. Okay. And declare the type of brand info. Okay. So alter table. Give a table name. Add a brand info column and declare the type of brand info. Now, after added a new column, you will see as below. This is the brand ID, first column. This is the brand name, second column. And this is the brand info, which is the third column of your table. I have declared brand name for brand 1, brand 2, brand 3. I have not inserted a value for my brand info, so it will be none. Okay. Now, if you want to delete or drop a new column from your table name brand, okay, just type into an SQL query, alter table, give you table name that is brand, and drop the column. Okay, the name of your column brand info. After executing this code, brand info will be deleted. Okay, so you will see as a result below brand ID. And this is the brand name. Already I have deleted brand info. And this is the simple syntax for deleting a new column. Okay. So how to view a table data from brand table in SQL? I have already declared and before this is select star from brand. Okay. Select star from brand. This means that all data will be selected and from brand table. Okay. So how to create a new table with foreign key named cell in SQL. So how to declare a foreign key? Okay. Want to create a table named cell and whose properties will be cell ID and cell name. Okay. While cell ID is primary key. Okay. And cell name which is the per character. The size of per character only 25. And I have declared also a brand ID that is foreign key and references a table that is brand and the column name of your brand table. Okay, so go to my brand table. Okay, and this is my brand name. My brand ID is in primary. If you use this primary key into another table, this will be a foreign key. Okay. Brand ID, foreign key, references brand ID. See the table as below. This is the cell ID, cell name, and this is the brand ID. Okay. Now I am going to execute all the code that I have discussed already. Okay. So go to my SQL Server Management Studio. Then click on New Query. Scrolling up. So first one is how to create a database. Copy this code. Go to your SQL Server. Then paste here. Okay. Or you can change the and database name. I want to add a new database. Okay. Okay. Now execute this statement. Click on execute. Look at here. Commerce completed successfully. That means that my project database will be created and has been created already. Okay. Now click on refresh. Go to database. Okay. And this is my project. I have already created. So open this. Go to tables. Okay. There is no table in this my project database. So I want to add a new table. To add a table, before you should use this command. Okay. Control C. Go to database. Control V. Okay. Then execute this statement. Now I am to create a new table that named will be brand, and the properties for brand table will be brand ID and brand name also. So copy this code. Okay. Control C. Control P for paste. Select. Then execute. Okay. That means that table is created. To see your table, just click on refresh. Go to database. My database name is my point. Open it and click on table. Okay. Look at here. Brand table is created. This is my table name whose name is brand. Okay. Now click on here. Now click on columns. Okay. First column is brand ID, which is primary key, and that will be not null. Okay. And this is the brand name second column, that will be null. Okay. Now if I add some value into my table, so how to do that? Okay. Now how to see my table? To see your table, just type select from your table name. Now execute this command, and this is my table name. There are two columns, brand ID and brand name. Okay. Now I want to add some value into my brand table. Copy this record. Okay. Paste here. Now execute this three line. Okay. Execute. Look at here. There are three row affected. That means that three values are inserted into your brand table. Now click on refresh. Go to your brand table and press the right button of your mouse. Okay. Now select top 1000 rows, and this is the information that I have already added in for my table. First one is Samsung, second one is Nokia, and third one is Realme. Or you can see from here, just copy this code, now paste here, now execute this. Okay, and this is the information all about my brand table. I have inserted a value. First one is Samsung, second one is Nokia, and third one is Realme. And you have to initialize the table column. Okay, don't add it brand ID, and I don't insert a value for brand ID because this is the primary key and which will be increased automatically. Okay, now how to add a new column? To add a new column, just copy this code, paste here, and execute this line. Okay, there are only two columns for brand table. First one is brand ID and second one is brand name. Better now I have inserted a new column brand info. Okay, now select this, locate here. First column is brand ID, second column is brand name, and third column is brand info. If you want to delete a column from your table, just use this slide or to scroll server, paste here. Select this, now execute. Select this and execute. You will see brand info will be deleted from your table. Okay, there is no brand info because I have deleted the brand info column to added this statement. Alter table, give you table name, drop. That means that to delete the brand info and the column name. And this is the format to delete a column from your table. Now how to create a new table with foreign key. Okay, so copy this code, paste here. Now this is my table name whose name is cell, and the properties of my cell table, cell ID, cell name, and brand ID, which is the foreign key, and the reference table brand, and the table column will be brand ID. Okay, now execute this column. Select uh, from cell. Now execute this two line, and this is my new table, cell ID, cell name, and this is the brand ID. I want to insert some value into my table. Okay, so copy this three line, paste here, and give your table name. My table name is cell copy and give your table properties or column cell name Samsung customer. Okay. And this is the column for cell name, but I have not declared brand ID. I want to add brand ID, comma, say, give a brand ID. This is for one, one, comma. This is for two, and comma, and this is for three. Okay. Now execute this three statement. Okay. Now see your table. This is the cell ID, and this is a brand ID and cell name. Okay. So I am repeating. First one is create a database. To create a database, just use this statement. Create keyword and database keyword and give your database name. And the second one, if you want to add table into your database, my point is just use this line. And how to create a table as a brand whose properties will be brand ID and brand name. So create table, give a table name and declare the brand ID and brand name for your table. And brand ID, that is the primary key, and will be increased automatic. And this is the brand name, which is the bar character, and the size of bar character will be 25. Okay. And here is the output of your table. So how to insert value for brand table? To insert the value, just write this command into SQL query. Insert into, give your database table name and give your column name for the table that you have created, and the values for brand name is Samsung, and second one is for Nokia, and third one is Realme. Okay. If you want to see the result that you have added, just write this select star from brand. Okay. Now you will see the result. First one is Samsung, second one is Nokia, and third one is Realme. Okay. So how to add a new column into brand table? Okay, to add a new column, just write alter table, give you table name, that is brand, and add in the column name and declare the size of your column and type also. This is the var character whose size is maximum. After added a new column, you will see as below. Okay. brand ID, brand name, and brand info. If you want to delete a new column from your table, my table name is brand. I want to delete a column. That name will be brand info. Okay. Alter table, give your table name. Drop column, give your column name. Okay. Then column will be dropped. Brand ID, and this is the brand name. So how to view a table data from brand table? Select star from, give a table name, that is brand. Number 8, how to create a new table with foreign key. Okay, my table name is cell. Create table, declare a table name. My table name is cell, and the properties of cell table: cell ID, cell name, and brand ID. Look at here, brand ID is integer, and that is foreign key, and references the table name where it will be inherited. Okay, this is the brand, and this is the column name for brand table. If you use the primary key, look at my table, and this is the primary key for this table, but I want to add this brand ID into another table, then this will be a foreign key. Okay, let's do today we will learn about first one is the inner join, then left join, right join, full join, and self join also. Inner join that returns only match value from two tables, and we have already declared two tables. First table is a brand whose properties are brand ID and brand name, and we have already created cell table, cell ID, cell name, and this is the brand ID. This is the foreign key. Now this is my two table. Okay. Inazul already returns the match value between two tables. Okay. Look at here. Yeah, if you find a match below, you can search. Okay. Samsung, Nokia, and Realme. This is the brand ID. One for Samsung, and look at here. This is the brand ID one. Now this will be returned as a result for Samsung. So this is the syntax. Select brand name. Which data do you want to show into the database? Select your brand name. This is the column name from brand. This is the brand table, and this is the brand table which has a column name brand name. Okay. Now set the inner join on a cell, and this is the simple condition where brand ID from brand is equal to brand ID from cell. If the condition is true, then it will return the match value as a brand name. Okay, and the brand name Samsung. Look at here, only brand ID one, and there is a brand ID one, so it returns only Samsung that I have declared as a brand name. So the result will be shown as a brand name. Okay. So second one is left join. The left join keyword returns all the records from the left table. Okay. The left table name is a brand, and the matching records from the right table name is okay. That means that it returns all the whole information from your left table. Okay. Look at here. This is the mass value pattern to table, and this is only value for brand table. Now see the table here for brand table, brand ID and brand name. For cell table, cell ID, cell name and brand ID. Okay. Now write this two statement. First one is select brand ID, brand name from your brand table and select a brand cell ID from your cell table. Okay. And this is the brand table. Then join your table left join cell. Okay. On, and this is the simple condition. When brand ID from brand table will be same as a brand ID from cell table. Now we will get two information. First one is brand name and second one is cell ID. And the result is brand name and this is the cell ID. And look at here. All the information from left table are available here. And this is the left table Samsung, Nokia, Realme. And this is the information Samsung, Nokia and Realme. Okay. And the match below from your cell table. That's Samsung M02 cell name and brand name for cell ID. That is 4. Okay. And this is 4. And third one is right design. So the right design keyword returns all the records from the right table. The right table name is cell and the matching records from the left table. Left table name is brand. Okay. Now this is my left table whose name is brand, brand ID, brand name, two columns and the cell. And that is the right table which there are only three column cell ID, cell name and brand ID. Okay. Now it will return all the information from the right table, that means cells, and the matching information from left table. Okay. So write to your lines, select your brand name from brand table and select cell ID from cell table and select cell name from cell table. Okay. From brand. Then right design cell on, give a simple condition. Okay. And brand ID will be the same as brand ID from cell table. So you will see all the information from right table and the match value from left table. Okay. And this is the cell ID, cell name from right table. Name is cell. Okay, cell ID and cell name. All information are available here, and you will see the match below from right table. That is Samsung. Okay. And this is Samsung whose brand ID is 1 and locate here and brand ID is 1 for cell ID number 4. And this is the ID number 4 and the brand name for 4 is Samsung. This is for because this condition. Now number 4 falls and the 4 outer join keyword returns all the record and there is a match in left table or right table. Okay. Now this is the left table brand. There are two columns, brand ID and brand name, Cell ID, there are three columns: cell ID, cell name, and brand ID. So write the statement and you will see the result as below. This is the brand name that I want to show, and this is the cell name that also I want to show. And cell name, this is the cell ID. Brand name, this is the brand name, and this is the cell ID. This is cell ID, and this is the cell name. Okay. Then returns all the records and match below button. Okay. So brand name Samsung, Nokia, and Realme. Cell ID and cell name. All information are available here. So number five, self join. A self join is a regular join, but the table is joined with itself. And this is the simple statement for a table. Now I am going to my SQL Server Manager Studio. Okay. Now write the code step by step. Hmm. First one is inner join. And copy the code. Select and execute. And look at here. I want to show only brand name from two table, and this is the brand name for Samsung, Nokia, and Realme. Okay. Now execute the left join. Left join only returns all the record from left table and the missing record from left table. Okay. And copy this code. Go to SQL Server. Here you will see two information: brand name and cell ID. Where brand ID from cell table is equal to brand ID from brand table. Execute. Okay. This is the brand table brand name, and this is the cell ID cell name. If you want to see that information from cell, just type as select from your table name. Okay. Now execute this line. Execute. You will see the result about your cell information. So this is the cell ID 123 and cell name, and this is the brand ID 1, 2, and 3. And if you want to see the result of your brand ID, just copy this code, paste here. Your table name is brand. Yeah, now execute this statement. Here, this is the brand table. Okay. Now if I execute this inner join, you will see the result. Execute, and this is the inner join result. Okay. Only returns the match value from two tables. If you want to show the information about left join, that will returns only left table. Okay. Now look at here, because I want to show brand name and cell ID from cell table, and this is a brand name from brand table. Okay. And this is the right join, which returns all the records from right table, and matching records from your left table. Okay, this is the right table cell all that will return all the information, and also match values from the brand table. This is the left table. Okay, now copy the code that I have already written. Copy this, paste here. You will see the information: brand name, brand cell ID, cell name. Okay, and the condition is brand ID is equal to brand ID from cell table. Now execute this statement. Select and execute. You will see the information, and this is the right soil. Okay. Cell ID and cell name. If you want to see the result of cell table, just click on here. You will see two columns information. Select and execute. This is the cell ID and this is the brand ID. Where I want to see the result about a brand ID, which brand ID will be the equal of brand ID from brand table. So select this and execute. You will see the result as below. This is the right result. Okay. And this is the follow join keyword returns all the record where there is match in left table or right table. It returns only when matching is available for left table or right table. This is the left table and this is the right table. Now copy the code that you have set. Copy. Okay. Now it will return only brand name, cell ID, and cell name. This is the table name brand. Okay. This is the false on cell, and this is the condition. Now execute this statement. Execute, and this is the result of your false end. Okay. Mesh values are available here, and also the full information between two tables. And this is the self-join, which is the regular join, but the table is joined with itself. Okay, copy this code, select this code. Okay, now execute.